Hello again. With this technical tip, we finish the series of videos dedicated to the servicing of vertical pumps. In this video, I would like to show you how to correctly install the static seal of the pump using special tools. So, prepare the following things: a static seal and 3 special tools: a metal ring, an aluminum guide, and a threaded piston. First, fit the metal ring into the pump's throat. Place the static seal above and fix the aluminum guide upon it. You have to find the correct position of the guide, so as its groove would sit tightly on the pump's body, and fix it with 2 screws that you have dismounted before when disassembling the upper plate of the pump. No need to screw it tightly, just fix it so as it would not move. Insert the last part, a threaded piston, and screw it in gradually with your hands or using a spanner until it has reached the bottom. Now the static seal is correctly placed. So you have to remove all the tools that you have used. Take the plastic guide, put the rubber O-ring on it, and fit it on the pump. Next, place the metal plate, paying attention to its correct position, and tighten firmly all 4 screws using a metric spanner number 13. Finally, twist in the cup and fix it tightly using a metric spanner 38. The pump is ready. I'm sure you like our technical tips. If you would like to see more videos, you can follow us in our social media.